Hello, this is Willie Bully Bill from the Philippines. We are at Billet Beach today, and we are here with some friends. This is the shed house that we rented for the day, and went down and I bought some beer and ice, and we made food at home and brought it, and I'll take you for a little walk around the place. Yeah. There's Gloria. Gloria's over there, and Donna, and all our other friends. This is a pretty cool shed that we have. Look at this. Look at this growth here that we have. This is a, I don't know what you'd call it, but it's pretty interesting. But we've been here for a little while now, and the roosters like to sit right up in here. But they're all over the place. They're trying to get some scraps. And there's some other families here. You know, we got a birthday party over here, and the weather is a little overcast, which is perfect because you don't get overheated. But I'll take you towards the entrance to this beach. And I'll walk up here. You used to be able to take the scooter right down in here, but well, not down here, but I'll show you where. They've really done a lot of improvements here. It looks really nice. There's more cottages over there, and they've planted a whole bunch of stuff. Just looks beautiful. There's flowers and plants everywhere. Trim the trees. It really looks nice. And this store over here across the street, they sell beer and ice, but they rip people off because they charge $6.60 for a 6-pack of Grande, which is a Pilsner, San Miguel Pilsner, the big bottles. And I can go right down the street and get it for $600. I can go a little bit farther down the street if they were open. They weren't open today. And I can get it for $5.50. So the farther away from the beach that you are, the cheaper things are, of course. So, and there's the guard dog. He just makes a lot of noise. And yeah, we got the flags everywhere. We got the plants. We got the flowers. A couple different entrances to the beach. The one that I just came up, which is there, next to the flag. And then you have another one here, which they did a really nice job on. They smoothed it out, put some concrete out, and then they planted flowers and put a railing. It's really nice. That was never there before. And look at the root system on this tree here. That's pretty cool, huh? Yeah. And like I say, there's a few dogs hanging around, and there always is. A lot of roosters. They come looking for scraps. And we got the cats. And I noticed one of them was pregnant today. So we're gonna have a lot more cats. Now look at these flowers, aren't they nice? Beautiful, huh? It's sprinkling right now. That's okay. Lots of people chilling here today. This is Holy Week, so people are chilling. They don't do much on Holy Week. A lot of places are closed. And we got some rooster huts over here. And this rooster stands in there. You can see one in the middle there. Yeah. He's just perched there, hanging out. And then we got another one perched over here. He's a big one. He's a big boy. Look at him. But he stays out of people's way. He doesn't do much. And then we have the comfort room over there. Not much of a comfort room, but we're at the beach, so what can you expect? Another walkway down here. So we have 3 walkways the length of the beach. And I'll go down this one here and show you the beach. There's some people hanging out over here. Hello.
Nag-order kami ni Mayor Sandy yung 8,000
And
plastic.
we got a nice rock formation out here that I don't go often out here because my legs aren't that great, but I'll go a little way so you can get an idea of what it's like. Unfortunately, someone's left a bottle out there in the middle of it, so that's too bad. But over here, seen several fishermen come in over there early, so they probably got themselves sulisugi, which is the marlin. To come in early, they know that that's all they need to do because they're going to make some good money on that fish. That fish will bring $2.50 a kilo. And I know that because we just bought some. And I have a previous video showing that. I'm trying to get down these rocks without killing myself. All right, on the beach. But you can see it's quite unique here. The tide is out right now. And once it comes in, this is all covered. All these rocks are covered. And it's amazing to watch the natives come out here and go into the water over here because they navigate these rocks like they're nothing. And I tend to go on the other end where you see the kids down there. And I do that because that beach right there that'll be all water and it's a smooth bottom. And I won't fall and break my neck. And that's a good thing. Asia Mountains off there to the right. And the wind has shifted several times. Gloria is going into the water. I can see it. That's a little joke between us. Adelaido, I call her Gloria. There's another YouTuber from the Philippines. His wife, his name is Gloria. And she wears this hat that's pretty cool. It's a wide brim flowered with like a curtain on it, and she almost went over. Yeah, she wears that hat, and Adelaide bought the same hat, and so that's why I call her Gloria. And what you're looking at there is our shed house. These are the entrances. That's the entrance next to us, and then that's the middle entrance there. And then the one I came down is at the end. And that's probably the roughest one to come down in if you're my age with legs that are not so good. Now today's a perfect day to be down the beach because you're not dealing with the sun beating on you, and it's warm. The water is a perfect temperature, and off to my left here is Bye Bye Inn again. It's on many of my videos because it's a friend of mine owns it, and it's a cool place to go. We've been there many times, and you can see those videos. So anyway, we're going to be here for the day. We're, once we get down here this type of day, we just stay until the beer runs out or the money runs out or whatever.